Enzani
Wena
Mnet?
ngenzani nawe? So ngabona amandebele.
Yeah.
Nganiphethe ama-DVD ne?
Yeah, that's right.
Ngaya ku-channel director ngathi hey
Yes,
amandebele
yes.
khethu bashafuna ukuzokufaka amandebele on TV.
Exactly.
Ngiyakhumbula sawafaka ama-DVD lawa sathola ukuthi
Yeah.
technically
Oh,
bekangasi.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
but so channel director mbele bese bahlale bazi ukuthi anything that has to do with undebele
Yes,
whatever
yes.
uyayithumela ngakimi njalo njalo.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, so nangise Mnet ngangiyinto le ebathi commissioning editor. So it's like you're a procurement specialist of content,
Yeah.
but you are also a project manager of content.
Yes.
Okay.
So abantu bathumela ama-idea and then nina niyawa-checka sithi sifting. Siyasifta si-check ama-idea lawo and then esibona ukuthi sine-interest kiwo siyababiza abantu bazokupitcha nabaceda ukupitcha you get assigned a project ke. Asenze umzekelo mhlambe njengekomkhulu.
Yes.
So if bengisese Mnet asithi mhlambe bangiphe ikomkhulu ke and then ikomkhulu iba i-project yami ngiyayi-manager from the casting of actors, the writing of scripts, the developing. I sit with the writing team when they write. And then nabakhanda istory ngenza sure ukuthi they are within the mandate. Kukhona phela ama-mandate angisho kuma-broadcaster. For instance, I don't know if it's Kenya or maybe something like that. You can't have gay content. So nangenza
it's
either
Kenya,
queen
nah.
bekusahwa or either queen I think bengadlali Namibia, Kenya, I might have the country wrong, Mara, because in that country they don't allow
Gay
gayness.
characters.
Therefore, ishow na gay characters ayizukudlalwa in that territory. Yabona indwanyana ezinjalo. So kunama mandate. Every channel has a mandate. ETV has a different mandate from SABC.
Yes.
Njalo njalo njalo
That's
njalo.
right.